Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
I will show you how to add a Facebook pixel to go high level step by step. First, create a pixel in Facebook Business Manager and copy the pixel ID. Make sure you have admin access to both Facebook Business Manager and Gohighlevel before continuing. Open Gohighlevel and sign in. Allow 2 minutes to navigate to account settings and tracking sections. Keep the pixel ID on your clipboard so pasting is quick. This preparation avoids errors during the integration process. Now we add the pixel inside Gohighlevel using the pixel ID you copied. Open Gohighlevel and go to Settings, then click Tracking Code. Find the Facebook Pixel ID field and paste the pixel ID from your clipboard. Click Save to apply the pixel to your account globally. If you prefer full script injection, enable head code and paste the entire pixel script into the header area. These steps link your landing pages and funnels to your Facebook events data. After adding the pixel, you must verify that events arrive in Facebook. Open Events Manager and use the Test Events tab to confirm incoming pixel activity in real time. Install the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension and visit your Gohighlevel pages to validate pixel fires and page loads. Trigger forms or button clicks that you expect to track and watch test events populate. If events do not appear, clear cache, confirm pixel ID, and wait up to 30 minutes for Facebook processing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.